I know you can't see right now, but excuse me. I just literally shoveled not that long ago and look at my driveway. This stuff is insane. I don't know if you can see, but literally can't see 2 feet in front of you. It's ridiculous. I think this is a blizzard, I'm not sure. This is insane. Snow got on my window too. Yeah. Look at that. Man, it's cool. Look at all that snow. That snow came in my window, guys. This stuff is insane. I have to say, this is definitely a blizzard. Look at the porch again. That's crazy. We just literally shoveled that. I don't know if you guys can see over there, but look how this is like a complete whiteout right now. It's crazy. Eventually we're gonna be done. I mean, look at the roof. It's all white, except for over there. Look how white out it is. You literally cannot see. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And, wow. That wind, though. That wind is crazy. This snow is actually falling 2 to 3 inches an hour. I'm not even kidding you. This is definitely a blizzard. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll post more when I get a chance. Alright, see you later. Remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment.